Hello again, this is Frank Gaylard, editor and founder of Radiopaedia.org, and in this tutorial we're going to cover synonyms. What they are, how synonyms work, why they are important, and also demonstrate how to create them. The cornerstone of Radiopaedia is the ability to link between cases and articles. For example, linking, in the description of this case, the term cardiac tamponade to the article cardiac tamponade. As such, article A may have multiple articles linking to it, and as well as links from the description of various cases. This is usually accomplished by a direct link. See the other tutorial on how to create links. For example, we might want to link to the article titled Cerebral Hematoma the term cerebral hematoma in another article or case, as well as, however, cerebral hematoma spelt in the US way, or a synonym of cerebral hematoma, in this case cerebral hemorrhage. If we merely create a link to these terms, then only the first would successfully link the two articles. And this is the role of synonyms. In this same example, by adding synonyms, or in this case alternative spellings, of cerebral hematoma or cerebral hemorrhage, we would enable these two links to occur. We could add other synonyms and alternative spellings, in this case cerebral hemorrhage spelled with an AE, or intracerebral hemorrhage, intracerebral hematoma, etc. The reason that adding suitable synonyms and alternative spellings to each article is so that links that have been created in the past to a not yet existing article, in other words grey links, will then automatically become active links once the appropriate synonym is added. Now let's have a look at how to actually create synonyms on Radiopaedia.org. This is a good example of an article that requires a number of synonyms. To add synonyms, we need to go into edit mode, for which you need to be registered and logged in. At the very bottom of the page is the synonym or alternative spelling section. So let's add a couple. Firstly, we'll add alternative spelling of esophagus. Now to add another synonym, just click the add another synonym or alternative spelling, and now we will add a synonym for neoplasms, and of course the same for the US spelling. And maybe a couple of others, such as shifting the order of the words around. You'll see at the right-hand side of each synonym is this checkbox for Include in Listings option. This merely denotes whether this term will appear in the Browse By section of the site. In general, include only listings that are going to appear in different parts of the listing rather than side by side. Many articles will begin with the word benign, and thus the second word, which is in this case starting with an E versus an O, both are going to be reasonable, and as is the case with these. If we were to add or come across an article that had a previously added synonym, such as that, or a synonym that you wish to convert to a separate title. This sometimes happens in cases where a large topic gets split down into numerous smaller topics. In this case, if you want to delete a synonym, all you need to do is click the little red cross. Once you're done, save and finish. And there will be no outward change to the article, except that now we can see at the bottom of the article which synonyms and alternate spellings are present. For more help and other videos, please refer to the Style Guide and Help section of Radiopaedia.org. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to your contributions.